morning, guys. Today is Monday the 14th. Woke up and I started watching my YouTube subscription box and I saw that my friend Keegan uploaded a week in her life, and I honestly loved that video so much. I'm gonna link it down below because Keegan's awesome and we're going to VidCon together, so I'm really excited. She's the person who inspired me to actually film this week in my life. I've never done one of these before because I always get way too much footage on a given day, so I'm going to try to film like the highlights. This week is pretty busy and jam-packed. I got a lot going on. We're just going to see what we can get done, what we can film. It's 9:30 right now. I have a meeting at 10 and then I'm gonna go to lab and collect some data for bio. We got a lot going on and we're gonna see where this day takes us. Let's go.
Okay, walk back in and prepare us.
Oh, hey guys, what's up?
Oh, hey,
Denise. Wow, that was really good.
Mustache, yay or nay?
Nay.
Hey, you can't say that. So, little background, I'm from Alaska, so it's pretty normal.
See, look, he is.
Yeah, so yeah, we're trying to make a decision. Please leave a comment down below and like, rate, and subscribe.
Bye, photo people. Hey guys, I just got out of bio lab, so we had to count, I think I showed you guys, we had to count a bunch of colonies for our lab because we were growing like E. coli bacteria and then with a bunch of mutagens. Now I'm walking back to the house really quick, but it is the nicest day ever. It's like 81 degrees today. Not yet, but like it's going to be, which is very typical of Oregon summers, but we like never get that in the spring, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna go change for tennis class and actual bio class. No way, it's Katie Mack. Here, where are you going?
Gym.
Nice. Okay, well, I have to go get ready for tennis. Goodbye.
Come to the gym with me.
No, I'm not that fit. You can't take me. I'm not even wearing workout clothes. Bye, Katie. Okay, I just got home. It's super hot up here, but I got a package, and if you know me, you know that that's like the most exciting part of my day. So we're gonna open this package, but I have absolutely no idea what's in it. And I know my parents are probably gonna see this, and they're probably gonna comment, you're like not opening the package properly. And yeah, you're right. I'm probably not. Okay. Bubble wrap. Whoa! Oh, wait! this is like a package from PB Teen. I'm going to probably be working with them on a project, so this is like another thing that they sent me. Oh my god, that's so cool. They're like little planters and you can hang them on the wall and you can put like little airplanes into them. Okay, I'm all ready for tennis and for bio class. I'm just going to spray myself with sunscreen. Because we're playing outside today and you actually like really do get burnt. I should probably not be spraying this indoors. Hey guys, what's up? I'm with Taylor. She's my co-captain and BFF from ski team. And she also has a YouTube channel, so go check it out.
Check it out.
TJ, and I'll link it down below. We're gonna talk about ski team stuff and life, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It is currently almost 4. I'm running kind of late for my class, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm wearing to chapter because I'm just gonna go straight from my class and then to chapter. I'm wearing this dress from Aritzia. It's super cute. I'm wearing it with this little, let's see if it'll focus, this necklace that says Chi Omega from Ali and Ariel. Also, if you guys wanna follow me on Dote, I have a whole album where I just post outfits that I wear to chapter, and I also post them on Instagram as well, so be sure to follow me on there. We're at Elle's apartment. She's cooking us dinner. We have a psych midterm tomorrow, so that's why, and a bio midterm Wednesday. So we're doing well. Morning guys, it is Tuesday today. Right now I'm gonna go pick up a friend from her appointment, and then I have a midterm at noon. Back with Ariana. We're back at Dutch. Always. Per usual. As per usual. Thank you. Yeah. Woohoo! Got my stamp. Oh. What did you get? I sweat annihilator again. A little one because I don't want to be too hyped up. Oh, yeah. All right, we're gonna drive. Oh, God, you're driving with it? Oh my god. I finished my midterm, so I'm back at home. I'm just eating some lunch right now. It wasn't good and it wasn't bad, which those are kind of the worst tests to have. Now I can focus on studying for bio, which is like my really big midterm that I have tomorrow. I have to take my friend's grad photos, so I'm gonna do that. Hey guys, what's up? I have not talked to you in literally forever. I just got back from taking my great aunt and my sorority photos. I think they turned out really well and I'm really excited to give them to her. Right now it's 7:16 at night. I need to like put in some good hours of studying. Try to grind really hard. I'm gonna go over to Elle's and study, so I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. It's gonna be like the same thing I did last night, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Happy test day. It's Wednesday. It's time to get this bio test over with. I studied till about 11:30 last night with Elle, and then I came back here, went to bed. I'm at the point where I just like really want to take the test and be done with it. Tonight, I am going roller skating, which I'm super excited about. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Lego. Typically on test days, I will come into my room and do like last minute studying just to refresh your brain. When I was taking the ACT, I read through that whole like preparation book and read through all the tips, and they wrote in that book that you should be taking practice problems and reviewing your information before you go into the test, because your mind needs like a warm-up to get into the information. Look, we got a Snapchat. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's open it. Let's start with Leah. Her Wednesdays rock. That is the cutest thing ever. Leah loves babies. Keegan, that's lovely. Hope you enjoy me putting that in my video. I'm gonna Snapchat her. Smile. Katie Mac, we're almost to 80. Yay. Oh, she's probably talking about her streak. We had a really long streak because we Snapchat like every day, but then we lost it. I'll probably talk to you after I'm done with class. Wish me luck on my test. I just got out of my midterm and I think it really went well, honestly. The only thing that was weird is that I finished with like 25 minutes. Glad to have it done and moving on. Enjoying a nice little celebratory lunch now that midterms are over. Almost. They're not over. Yeah, one more, but then we're done. How's your day been? Long. Hey Donna, what's up?
I had to be an actor today.
Really? No way. It's Taylor Wan. People have not seen your short hair. They're not gonna recognize you. Look at her hair. I like it straight. It looks, yeah, I like it straight. How much did you cut? A foot?
Yeah, about 12 inches.
Wow. All right, well, we're gonna go to class. See you later, T1. Ready to go? Roller skating. The last time we went roller skating was Big Little Reveal, so this is like our anniversary. Like 7 something in the morning, and I got probably 4.5 hours of sleep. So the one day of the week where I have an 8 a.m. so I have to go to bio lab this morning.
Just a typical day in Eugene, Oregon.
Finishing up
Sunny.
Class. It's really hot. I'm wearing
No homework. This is what it's like to be a duck. What can we say?
All right, I got my Starbucks. I'm feeling much better and much more awake. It's around 2 o'clock right now, and I am going to do my laundry, clean my room a little bit, take a shower, and start getting ready because Katie and I are gonna go on a photo shoot and take some pictures.
It only brings us back around. I have been lost for so long.
Spencer. No, Skinner's. God, I always get those mixed up. But we're here at Skinner's Butte and we're wearing our outfits that we're gonna shoot in. They're from Guild and Gossamer, one of our favorite boutiques in Eugene. Hopefully we get some good ones because the lighting is kind of harsh right now.
Photo shoot 5,000 and I still don't know how to take a picture.
See, this is what we're dealing with. We can't get good lighting for our photos because it's just like a bad day. Behind the scenes of an Instagram post, it takes sometimes multiple tries to get a good photo.
Like, where are you planning on going over here?
There's like this wall.
What up, Kiara's vlog? I have my Tito lighting stats on, so I can't really talk. But she left her camera in my bag today, so we're gonna finish her up this nighttime routine. Do some beauty fixings.
I didn't think you were. I was like, oh my god, if that's Katie, I'm gonna kill her.
When you locked yourself out of your apartment, so you have to come hang out at Canon.
Happy Friday. We made it to the end of the week. This morning, Katie came over and we just like hung out. I have a discussion class from 11 to 12 and then I have bio again from 12 to 1. I unfortunately am probably not gonna bring you guys along because I have so much footage from this week already and I kind of have a crazy day. I have my first day at work tomorrow in Portland, so I have to go home for that. And I also need to edit this vlog and post it either tonight or tomorrow morning. So if you guys are watching, that is why I'm probably scrambling right now to edit and post this whole thing. And leave me a comment to reply back to you guys. I always love talking to you in the comment section below. And be sure to follow me on my social media. My Instagram and my Twitter are both at Kiara Madisen. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye.